Hey, and good morning, everybody. It's Sherman Ray, and this is This Week on DNG Radio. We're doing a little show prep today over here at one of my favorite places, Panera Bread, here in Las Vegas. But on today's show, which starts at 10:30 on the Pacific Standard Time, we're going to be talking about some trends for 2013, and there are some really interesting things that are going on. We'll also be talking about maybe a baseball stadium over up in Summerlin. Did you know the shops up at Summerlin are back on track? We'll also be looking at Las Vegas Jelly. Sounds interesting, yeah. And we'll also be looking at the fiscal cliff. So you guys stay tuned. 10:30 today, Pacific Standard Time, this week on DNG Radio. I'm Sherman Ray from the Diversity Networking Group, and we will see you soon. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.